Friends, hello, hope you are well. It's President's Day and the market was closed. Ugh, what a boring day.
Kleptocracy and the guy.
Tomorrow we open back up. Tomorrow will be our Monday, but actually it's Tuesday, so we've only got 4 days in the market this week. What is going to happen? So let's continue to talk about MULLEN here, this stock that is driving everyone crazy, which a lot of people think there's going to be a short squeeze here, a push. And trust me, this stock needs a push like crazy. This thing needs to hit $1 like this week and stay there for a little bit of time. So the question is that going to happen? And a lot of people are very 50-50 on the split. Now, some news has broke since last time I talked about them, which is great. BlackRock, everybody pretty much has heard of BlackRock. If you've been doing stocks for a good amount of time here, BlackRock invests in a lot of different companies, and they also make a lot of different analyst picks what they think a stock is going to be money-wise. So BlackRock upped its bet on MULLEN Automotive. BlackRock reported adding 137,000 shares, plus we'll just round it up to 38. So this is just broke. It's pretty big news, and honestly, it hasn't really come into the market yet. So this week, this could potentially help MULLEN this week and really maybe get it going here, at least back to a 30-40 cent. Like I said, I believe that if we can see the stock get to a 50-cent range, that is going to be a big help to pushing it further up to $1. And that, that's what a lot of people are looking for here. We're not asking for a lot. I don't think the majority of us that are actually realistic about the situation here. Most people would probably be happy with 80 cents. $1 would be phenomenal. The stock needs $1 to not get a knock at the door from NASDAQ here about a potential reverse split. So that needs to happen ASAP. BlackRock now owns almost 27 million shares of MULLEN here. So BlackRock must feel pretty confident about the company. When we ended out the week here on Friday, February 17th, it ended around a 27-cent mark here, which was, it's not devastating and it's definitely reboundable, but yes, reboundable. Let's make that a new word here, reboundable. It can definitely bounce back from this back to a 30-40 with no problem. With the stock right now being so cheap, people are buying in probably realistically at a minimum of $100 to $1,000 worth of shares and swing trading those throughout the day. And when other people come in with bigger bets, that's what really pushes it and gets volume up and rolling. But after this purchase, BlackRock is now the 4th largest shareholder of MULLEN. At the same time, MULLEN is BlackRock's 57th largest position with a less than 0.01% portfolio allocation. In other words, MULLEN is a tiny bet that carries a little to no risk for the firm. So it sounds like they've got a ton wrapped up in it, but BlackRock has been around for a long time and they invest in a lot of different companies with a lot of big money. And just like every other investment firm, they make good picks and they make bad picks, just like every other individual betting on stocks in the market here. So friends, tomorrow is Tuesday. Like I said, we could potentially see something break out here with this news coming out here with BlackRock. It's definitely going to help the situation. It's not going to hurt it. It's positive. It's good. It's what the company needs. It's what the stock really, needs. It needs positive news. It needs motivation from investors, and it's still being talked about like heavily. Like when you go on these chat rooms with Webull or any of these platforms that have where people are chatting about stocks, even stock twits. I mean, MULLEN here is just being flooded with people talking about the company. The only thing that really means is that people are talking about it, and when people are talking about it, people are putting money in it, people are trading it from hand to hand. So those are things the stock needs right now. It doesn't mean that it's going to be $1 from people talking about it. So friends, call me crazy, I'm a little bullish on the situation. I am a realistic person on the sense that this could go upside down tomorrow and we could be talking about a reverse split. Obviously, the stock is in a dangerous situation. I think everyone will agree on that. If the company can get more news coming out here, if we can see more things like this come out, like BlackRock's coming out here with this news. This is what it needs. It needs this kind of stuff. So friends, I don't think we've seen the last of Mullen here. People may be panic selling, but I think there's going to be a lot of panic buying back in here sooner than not, and we could potentially see it push up more here. Is it going to hit that dollar? Man, fingers crossed. I hope so. Friends, all that said, I really do wish all of you best of luck, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.